So we can discuss about these items, agenda items in today's session. So these are the tools that we are going to discuss, and just have a look.
Okay.
Application designer, application engine, people code, reporting tools. We can discuss SQL, PS Code, Bay Publisher. Okay, we are not going to discuss the crystal reports and PS Innovation because the crystal reports is not installed in the system, so that is not possible. If you really require it, we can touch up the PS Innovation. Okay, but the first three reporting tools we can discuss in depth. And the integration tools we can discuss about the component interface and file layout mainly. And workflow also, if you have the requirement, then we'll discuss about that. But mainly we can discuss about component interface and file layouts. And these we can cover security administration and data mover. Apart from these tools, we can also touch other things like data mover and
Parallel processing.
process scheduler. Parallel processing that is a part of application engine.
Okay.
So that will come under this application engine tool. If you have any specific requirement, Karthik, can you forward me that email that you have received from Gopi? Can you forward me that email that you have received from Gopi?
Oh, what email?
Oh, he has sent an email, right, regarding his requirement.
Just they are looking for like the three topics like secure, like app designer and application engine. They told me initially. Okay. For timing, they are going for regular training.
Okay.
Okay.
Gopi, apart from these tools, do you have any other tools that you are? Okay, so first of all, do you know anything about what is the advantage of PeopleSoft over other applications? Okay.
Yes.
So PeopleSoft as a company, it has started in late 1980s. That means in the 1987 by two people, Dave Duffield and Ken Morris. So this company has implemented one ERP application. What is meant by the ERP? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So ERP application, why we need the ERP application? In the market we have so many ERP applications. SAP, we have one ERP application. Even that is also one of the ERP applications for Oracle apps that you worked on. And we have Dipco, we have Siebel, and we have, what else we have? Okay, so SAP is the one of the ERP application, and Oracle apps, this is also ERP application. Dipco is also ERP application, and Siebel also ERP application, and PeopleSoft. So these are all individual companies. This is one company, and this is one company, and this is one company. They have implemented their own ERP application. So now, what is meant by the ERP application? What is the use of ERP application? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. What is meant by the Enterprise Resource Planning? If you want to run an organization, then what are all the things that you require? Tell me. You need human resources, Next, you need money. That means finance. You need materials and you need machines. And what else? You need buildings. That means infrastructure. So you need all these things in order to run an organization. Now you have human resources. Human resources means nothing but employees. Finance, you know, right? Finance or money. Money is finance. And materials, raw materials and machines. Suppose your company is into some manufacturing side. To manufacture the goods or items, you need a machines. And you need a buildings and other infrastructure. In order to maintain all of this information, you need a system. Suppose if you want to maintain the employees' information, you need one system. That system is called HRMS, Human Resource Management System. Human Resource Management System. In that system, what you can do, you can just enter the data of all of your employees. That means their job information and their benefits and their payroll. So each and everything which is related to the employees, that information you can maintain in one system. That system is called HRMS, Human Resource Management System. And similarly, if you want to maintain all of your financial transactions, financial transactions means, suppose if you want to buy something, that is one financial transaction. If you sell something, that is also one financial transaction. So for each and every transaction that involves the money, that is nothing but a financial transaction. If you want to maintain all of such kind of information, you need a system. That system is called FSCM, Financial Supply Chain Management. So you can maintain all of this information, okay, materials, machines means assets information. This is also come under financial management system. And this is also assets, building and infrastructure. So you can maintain all of this information in this system, FSCM system. Okay. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise means business. Resource means resource, employees. Okay. Planning means how you are planning to maintain the information. Because of that, we are calling that system is a ERP application, ERP system or ERP application. Now you got an idea, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you understand what is meant by the ERP system.
Yes.
Not only the PeopleSoft, we have other ERP applications in the market. Oracle apps, that is also one of the ERP, and TIPCO, Civil. But what is the advantage of using PeopleSoft over other ERP applications? If you use a PeopleSoft application, in PeopleSoft we have so many applications. HRMS is one of the application, and FSM is one of the application, the CRM and the EPM and the campus solutions, CS and the ELM. We have so many applications in PeopleSoft. Okay, suppose you have HRMS system and as well as you have financial system. Both you are using PeopleSoft systems only, PeopleSoft HRMS system and PeopleSoft financial system. And also you are using the PeopleSoft CRM system. CRM system means, suppose if you want to provide some customer support to all of your customers, then you can use the CRM system, customer relationship management. Okay, what is meant by the customer relationship management? That is kind of help desk. Help desk means, suppose if you buy some item from Sony, okay, they will provide you the warranty, right? During that warranty period, if you get any issue, what you can do? You can simply log a ticket with the help desk, so that they will resolve that issue. Or else you can call to help desk of Sony and you can raise a ticket for the issue. Similarly, in PeopleSoft, we have an application that is purely designed for customer relationship. That means that is this kind of thing. Okay. Okay. Now I am using for my organization HRMS system, financial system, and CRM system, and also campus solutions. Campus solutions means, for example, if your organization into some educational sector. Okay, educational sector. Educational sector, what we can see? You can see universities, schools, colleges, and all. Okay. If you want to maintain the data of all of your students, then you need a system to maintain all of your students' data. In that case, you can opt for campus solutions. PeopleSoft campus solutions. PeopleSoft campus solutions. So based on our organization requirement, we can use the system. Okay. If you want to maintain the employees' data, you can use HRMS system. If you want to maintain the financial information means assets, buildings, infrastructure, you can use the financial system, FSM system. And if you want to provide the customer support to all of your customers, then you can use the CRM. Okay, for my organization, I am using these 4 systems. I can easily integrate one system into the another system if I use the other systems from the same product. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. If I use the PeopleSoft HRMS and PeopleSoft Finance, PeopleSoft CRM and PeopleSoft CS, if I use all the systems from the same software means PeopleSoft, then I can easily integrate this system with this or this system with this. One system with other system I can easily integrate because they are all from the same software.
Yes.
In case if I use the HRMS system is SAP system and PeopleSoft finance system is PeopleSoft, then I have some difficulty to integrate SAP system and PeopleSoft system because these 2 systems are from different software. Instead of using different software for different systems, it's better to use the same software for different systems so that you can easily integrate one system with other system. What is meant by integration? Integration means sharing of the data between the systems.